WIREWAX is the smartest way to create interactive and shoppable videos. Making videos in WIREWAX Studio couldn't be easier. It's amazing what you can get done in just a few minutes. Sign up for your free 14-day trial at wirewax.app. Upload your video and start creating hotspots. Once you've uploaded your video and entered the composer, you can choose sticky or static hotspots to bring your videos to life. So go ahead and draw a hotspot around the area you're trying to make interactive. Name your hotspot and choose from one of our pre-designed overlay templates, or create your own. You can upload photos, play additional videos, add your own content. It's completely customizable and simple to use. You can choose any combination of features as well for the layout and design of your overlay. Create interactive videos however you want. They're easy to create, update, publish, and share. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today at wirewax.app.